wrist, baby. Come on now. Okay. Oh, come on, bro. Move. Manners, man.
Whoa.
Man, where's your home training, Jeff? Move out the way.
Doing too much, man. Hey, did you read the article that I sent you about Obama and his faith? I believe it.
Yeah, and you really believe Obama. Obama is part of the Christian right?
Hey,
come on, man.
Yes,
Yes, combo. Got you. Shut up, dude. You cannot cheat in a one-on-one match.
brought y'all some brews.
Come on. You brought beers? Oh, how festive.
Not looking festive?
Yes, baby.
That plant ain't looking too festive.
Really? Come on.
Bro, I was watering twice a day.
I was watering the plant.
Better come in. Damn.
Yeah, I got it. Come on, I'll get it.
Y'all playing online?
Now, Marcus made a bet that he could beat me mano a mano.
Mano a mano, what's that mean? Hand to hand?
Kicking
With
his
your
ass.
hands?
Uh-huh.
You freak me out, bro.
Yeah, oh, I got this. Come on, this is the win. This is the win. Exactly.
Whoa, easy there, Shaman.
Champ.
Listen, Obama actively played that I'm not a Muslim card to hide his Christian leanings.
That makes no sense. What are you talking about, man?
You know what? Y'all just don't see the big picture. That's what it is.
I guess not.
I don't see the big picture. Me. Need I remind you that I'm a full professor?
Here we go.
At Princeton?
For which we are all impressed.
Okay, well, I can't.
I'm not.
Shut up. Yeah.
What are y'all thoughts on food storage?
Food storage? What? Bro, let me get next, bro.
Oh, you got caught.
Thanks, bro. Pass up them sticks.
Thank you for playing. Appreciate your candor.
Typically, I make a meal. I always have leftovers. Hate to see things spoil.
Are you ready to take ass whooping?
Freezer bags or airtight plastic storage bins.
What? What are you talking about? What?
Y'all smell that? I smell a pitch coming from the master spoken word.
I don't smell that.
Yeah, speak your wisdom.
All right.
Check this out. Capitalism, education, politics, technology. All forms of an insidious power system that we ain't never gonna know the source of. But what we can do is control what and how we eat.
Okay, well, first of all, we are never. Ouch. But second of all, you definitely forgot to mention the military and gaming industry.
That's the real Matrix right there.
Must you reduce everything to a scene from a movie?
Really? Dude, movies reflect real life. They're fiction. Neil, Thomas Anderson, I mean, he was a cog in the machine until Morpheus woke in his mind.
I mean, aren't we all just cogs in the machine, Neil?
Hey, it's an actor's life, bro. Forget about it.
Oh,
We understand.
right. Like, may the force be with you.
This guy.
A wise man once told me, it's hard to make old friends. Y'all were there for me when my pops passed away, and there to march with me against the injustice in this nation. Words fail, but brotherhood is real.
Amen.
It's real. We got you, bro.
So is freezer burn, but not with Tupperware.
What?
Come on, dude. Just ruin the moment.
Still on that?
Not appropriate.
Just saying, man.
Yo, Dorian, I might need a monologue from you, bro. I got an audition for a Spike Lee movie.
That's big. Let me see.
Yo, it's shooting in Brooklyn in 2022. Afrocentric dreams. He's taking it back to his roots.
I'm pretty sure.
Jazz music.
I'm pretty sure that's fake.
Dorian,
Really, man? Your self-centered ass could wait one moment before you made this moment about you.
I just got the text.
Hold on. Oh, wait. Russ, what is all this Tupperware talk, man? What's in the box?
Hey, y'all remember Seven? Brad Pitt, Morgan Freeman? What's in the box? Y'all remember that scene?
Y'all like Tupperware?
Okay, all right.
Proper food storage encourages nutrition. Leading brands claim to seal out bacteria and seal in the taste, but only one company delivers.
What? Yo, bruh, what you doing with all this Tupperware?
Bruh.
Can I have one?
It's a startup. Plastic food storage. They call the things tubs, not containers. Look, man, they're made in the UK.
I do call them tubs though.
So it does me mom.
Jeez.
Sophia gets pregnant, and I'm thinking, okay, I need some quick dough. I mean, it's not like the spoken word thing is paying any bills.
Wait. But I thought you had that in with the school board of ed school by school.
It's funny you said that, Dorian, because I did have it. But guess what happens when a 13-year-old ninth grader accuses you of looking at her funny?
Huh? You say what?
I wasn't even looking at her, bro. You sure, bro? I made a point not to look.
Hey, I'm just saying.
I mean,
Hey, that is not okay.
You've seen these high
That is not okay.
6 years in development. Finally cracking the foundation. But then I get blackballed. So I invest in a startup. Guess what?
So stupid.
I need to recoup my costs. I'm gonna need you guys to help me sell this shit.
Sell something at the flower shop. People who buy flowers, they do love the containers.
There you go. Thank you, Jeff. I appreciate that. Maybe you can get Neil to use his acting skills to help sell everything. But you know what's real sad is when it was all over the news that the spoken word lit programs were being canceled from the city schools, I thought I would at least heard from one of you.
I mean, Russ, how was we supposed to know?
You could have called, man. That's how.
Listen. We all need to heal. Jesus, Allah, God, higher power. I mean, whatever brought us here brought us for a purpose. And that is...
Are you done? Because you know what brought you here. Me. I invited you. Help me sell this Tupperware. Matter of fact, Neil. You see where I'm pointing, man. Come on.
What you talking about?
It's your time to shine, brother.
Read the copy. Sell my Tupperware to the world.
A commercial?
Marcus, Dorian, Jeff, my so-called friends, y'all gonna get on camera and sell this shit. Oh, it's funny. You're gonna post it to your YouTube channels, your Instagram accounts, and any other social media account that you tell everybody what you're doing at any given moment
Well,
of the day.
I'm not on social
You're gonna sell
media.
every piece until it's all sold, man.
Well, I found, so that can take days.
It's fine. I got food in the bathroom right there.
Okay, joke's over.
Excuse me.
Watch the Tupperware.
Is it locked? Yes. Bro, I got a Spike Lee audition. You can't hold us here.
All right. Okay.
So you gonna hold us hostage?
Okay. Russ, now, you do know holding us here against our will is a crime. You do know that, right?
Not if it isn't reported.
Yes. Are you for real?
Listen, we have jobs, okay? Families.
Auditions.
You don't think anyone's gonna notice that we're missing?
Come on, brother. I mean, man, we're sorry. You know, we should have called you. Just forgive us this one time.
Sure. Cool. After the video's filmed and uploaded. Come on, Neil. And action.
Got stuff to store? These wonderful tubs are airtight and made right. Jesus, bro, this copy sucks. Who wrote this?
I wrote it, man. Read it. Come on, man. Let's go. Chop, chop.
These wonderful tubs can be yours for the low price of
Ring my doorbell.
And those are my nephews. Just text them on the Xbox. They're 6'4" and very short-tempered. I'll see you guys later.
Really?
He's slick. He's slick.
Yeah, you. Hey, send me that last take. You know, for my sizzle reel. Appreciate y'all, boys.
Don't you even, bro.
Peace and blessings, my brother. Love you.
Really?
This was messed up, Russ. Look, man, do you need help?
Take one? Thanks
No.
for coming.
But, how about next time I host?
Leftovers.